Ang sabi mo, ganito, kung abante, paswelduhan ka ng taxpayer, gago. What is your right to tell me I'm gago?
That is part of my freedom of speech, Mr.
Oh,
Chair.
is that right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So your freedom of speech is to tell a person that he is gago? Freedom of speech ba yan?
My
You
freedom-
know, kung Benny Abante, I can find all of this. Isasampal ko ito sa pagmumukha mo. Is that still freedom of speech? If I tell you right now, sasampalin kita, freedom of speech yan.
That's part of your freedom, Mr. Chair.
Pag sinampal kita, hindi na freedom of speech yan.
Of course, sir. It's overt
Ay, hindi
action
na.
already. Yes,
Hindi
sir.
na, no?
Yes, sir.
Oh, ang galing. That's the reason why, Mr. Chair, that we should now actually craft a legislation to put a stop to Miss Joey Cruz, who seemed to be intelligent.
If you think that you are violated by my exercise of my freedom, you would have your right and
No,
be
no,
in court
Mr. Chair,
so that,
don't
so
worry.
that the maliciousness of
Mr.
that
Chair,
statement
don't
can be
worry. I'm
sorted
not
out
going
in the
to judge you
proper
in court.
authority.
Don't worry.
Fake news ang pakay, kritisismo ang target? Posible bang ang Congress hearing na ito ay magamit para pigilan ang ating pagpuna sa gobyerno? Alam nating lahat na malaya tayong magpahayag online, lalo na kapag may nakikita tayong mali sa gobyerno o mga public officials. Pero hanggang saan ba ang limitasyon ng kalayaang ito? Pwede ba nating murahin ang isang opisyal? O kaya naman ay sabihang sasampalin? Makakasuhan kaya tayo? Tatalakayin yan dito sa TRICOM hearing.
Andito po ba si Miss Joey Cruz?
Miss Joey Cruz, andito po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
Asan po siya? Asan po siya? Ayan. Oo. Gusto ko lang po alam nyo, sa totoo lang, marami po akong natatanggap na bashing eh. Hindi ko pinapansin. Hindi ko pinapansin yon. Katulad ni Kabayan, hindi ako naiinsulto, hindi ako nababagabag, hindi ko pinapansin, eh wala namang katotohanan yun eh. Ano? Kaya hindi ko pinapansin yan. Alright. Ngayon, ang gusto ko lang pong sabihin kay Miss Joey Cruz, in one of your vlogs in YouTube, you directed this statement sa akin. No? Akin mismo. Unang-una, hindi naman kita kilala. Hindi naman kita kaaway. Wala naman akong ginawang masama sa'yo. Tama ba ako, Mr. Chair?